Before we begin, you may need to add View Macros to one of the tabs in the ribbon, as it is not always included by default. You can do this by right-clicking on an empty space in the ribbon, selecting Customize the ribbon, and scrolling down until you find View Macros under All Commands. Then add it to one of your tabs. You can also go to the search bar and search for macros and selecting View Macros. When you click View Macros, a prompt window appears. Name your macro. In this example, I used refresh. Continue by clicking Create. After that, copy the code from the materials, or try creating your own code using ChatGPT. I created mine with a simple ChatGPT prompt like this. After you paste the code into the window that appeared when you clicked Create, close the window and click View Macros again. Now, click the macro you just created and run it. It has now been renamed to Refresh Linked Content. Now, go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and select a blank action button. Click Run Macros and select the macro we just created. Then click OK. Now, format the button as you like. When you play the slideshow, you can now click the button to run the script. Let's see if it works. Change the text in one of your linked Word documents. Save the file and go back to PowerPoint and click the macro button. Now, all you have to do is save the PowerPoint file as a .pptm format, which allows macros to run. Well done! You have now completed this module. See you in the next one.